Everyone, so guys, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and fantastic. All will be doing hard work for their dreams also. So, guys, once again, welcome to my new video. And in this video, I would like to talk about making a habit to speak in English language. Yes, we want to speak in English language, but sometimes we just speak, but sometimes when we feel like not speaking in English language, so that time what should we do and what can we do? I would like to talk about it, and I will tell you how can you make habit to speak in English language, like when we do things every day, so that things change in our habit, daily routine, daily habit that can change. So I will tell you that how can you make a habit to speak in English language every day. Means without doing your speaking practice, you cannot feel that you cannot feel perfect that I have done something today. In this way, I would like to share my opinions. What can you do? What did I do? Because of that, I have made these things is my habit. It is my habit to speak in English language every day, and when I do not do these things, so that time I feel that I am forgetting something, I am missing something in my life. I think about it. So I would like to give you some tips, effective tips that I followed, and because of that, speaking English has become my habit that I do every day. Okay, so if you want to know how can you build this kind of habit to speak in English language every day, if you really want to speak in English language, so this video is for you, because this way in this video I will be talking about how to build a habit to speak in English language every day. So guys, without any further delay, let's get into the video. But if I talk about building any habit, so it takes time. Okay, first of all, you need to know about it that whenever we do anything, so when we do that things every day, so only we give our time every day, and in this way we create that things as our habit. We made make that things as our habit. Suppose that reading, if I want to create a habit of reading books, so if I read 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and only by reading 3 days if I think that it will be become my habit, so it is not possible. Only by reading 3 days I cannot say that it has become my habit to read book every day. It will not like that, it will not be like this. You know, whenever we think if you want to speak in English language every day, so only by doing practice 1 week, 2 week continuously, you cannot do this. You cannot, like, only doing practice 1 week, 2 weeks, you cannot build up this habit to speak in English language every day. You need to be consistent. Do not think that I have to create these things as a habit. I need to build a habit of speaking in English language every day. Do not think. Whenever, just commit commit yourself that I have to practice, and I need to practice only for 10 minutes every day. And by doing practice, do not think that I will create these things as my habit. Only for making these things your habit, do not do practice. It will automatically become your habit. But first of all, you need to give your time. Give your time to this language every day, at least 10 minutes. If you give, so if you do these things every day without skipping any day, so these things will become your habit. You don't need to put extra efforts. Okay, if you are thinking that for making these things my habit, I will have to put my extra efforts. No, every day just do practice every day. Be consistent to speak in English language. Okay, immerse yourself in this language. Always keep remembering yourself that it is the part of your personality, and always remember that why have you decided to learn this language. If you remember these things, so your reason will push you to speak in English language every day. You must have you must have solid reason to speak in English language. If you do not have, so definitely I am sure that you will not do these things every day you will not do. Okay, just like, let's talk about an example. I would like to give you example. If I am a student, okay, if I am a student, and I'm thinking that I will be studying when my exams will come near, so that time I will study. So only by reading 1 month can I top in my class. What do you think about it? But if I, and in 1 month can I cover every subject, as I must cover, as I must read books? Can I cover everything? If I give my time properly, so it is possible. But mostly it is not possible. For for mostly students cannot do this. It is impossible for them. Only by doing practice, only by reading 1 month, they cannot top in their class. But if they will have solid reason that I have only 1 month, and because of some reason, if they were not able to read before their examination, and if they have only 1 month, so in that 1 month they will study, because of their reason that I have uh, put my time on another work, but now I have 1 month. In 1 month I have to cover all this subject, I have to learn everything. In that 1 month, if they will focus only on study, so they can do. Okay, in this way you must have to understood that for building any habit, you must have, it will not become any habit. It will, like, your reason will make these things your habit. If you do this work every day, so it will becoming your habit, it will be becoming your habit, but you will not aware about it. I hope that you are getting my point. So I was doing my practice every day. I don't know, just about for speaking in English language, by speaking, and while speaking in English language, that time I was not aware that it is becoming my habit. But after sometimes, after some month, I realized that it has become my habit. When I was not able to do my practice even a single day, so that time I was feeling that I am missing something. I have not done something today. I was just regretting that why did I not do practice today. These things had become habit that time. Okay, so in this way, just whenever you do practice, just you need to give your 10 minutes every day. And in that 10 minutes, give your time, give your feelings, give your emotion only to this language. While doing practice, do not think about another things. Just think that it is a language and it is a part of my personality. It is the things that I'm learning because of something. Remember these things whenever you start speaking in English language. Okay, when you remember these things, so your reason will push you to do practice more and more. Okay, and in this way you can make these things your habit. It will take time, sometimes it will take, but if you focused to doing this, so it is very easy to form these things as your habit. Okay, so guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share. And one more thing I would like to add here, that set your goals for learning. After learning this language, what kind of things you are about to do. You must have power reason. Because of that reason you will go ahead to learn this language. Otherwise, if you don't have reason, you are just learning this language because of your self interest, so it will give you like a motivation, but for some time, for the sometimes, but not for every time. Okay, and if you want to feel motivated all the time, always, so set a reason that why do you want to learn this language. Without any reason we must not do any work. It is my thinking. Okay, so guys, this was the thing that I wanted to share, and please, if you have learned something, so please let me know in the comment box, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep focusing, keep making these things your habit. Till then, take care. Happy New Year to all of you in advance, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.